Hey everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel, Relax.Cut.Glue. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you all here with me today. So today I'm going to be playing in my Birds and Blooms glue book I made using a composition notebook. I took some pages out of it because I just didn't want it to get too thick and then be too hard to glue in. Excuse me. Excuse me. Anyways, okay, so let's get started. I have some square and rectangle images here. I often refer to them just as square, but yes, I realize they are also rectangle. I mean like squared off edges, I guess is what I really mean. So I have a bunch of those. Let's put these over here. And then I have some fussy cut things. I did get some flowers cut. I don't have a ton. Oh, and I did see, oh shoot, who was it now? Okay, hold on, we'll get back to that. You know who you are when you saw that. Okay, so let's get some of these flowers out and an apple. This had a stem on it, but it was such a pain in the butt to cut because it was so thin that I was like, I just cut it off. We have some owls and some birds. I just like to kind of grab some of like the bigger images, kind of separate those out. So let's keep flowers and stuff together. And then I have words and like little things like this. I'm going to kind of put those over here. Here's another bird. And then we have our smaller squares, which I think I'll keep over here. And then a bunch of words. I have all kinds of stuff in here. I'm not going to probably take everything out right now, but we'll see. Okay, so I have some stuff. We'll just start with this. So this is all I have so far. Okay, what I was going to say about this is I have this egg and it's like cracked or something. Actually, now that I look at it, is it cracked? I don't know. Something's up with it. And somebody suggested that on my rooster page, wherever that, or not rooster, hen, I called it a rooster. And like I imagined, everybody corrected me. So let's find it right here. A hen. And put this right here like it was going to peck at the cracked egg. So I'll just do that really quick. Thank you for the suggestion. Sorry, I can't remember who it was. Okay, let's glue that down. Okay. There we go. Looks good. All right. Okay, so we got the egg situated. So let's go back in here. Now I've added some more background images. So let's find some of those. Okay, we have this one. Whoops. All right, so I was thinking on this one, it might look kind of neat. No, not that one. This one, perhaps. I was thinking I could just add something like that, but I should add one of these rectangles and squares. These all might be too small. Wait, is that the same bird? Oh no, totally different. Okay, let's see. What else do I have here? Ooh, I love this one. Could do that, and then a smaller one next to it maybe. That might be there. Ooh, maybe a circle. Like that. I do have other circles. What's this one? I can't tell. Oh, this is like a bird at the beach. But it does kind of go. I mean, it's all yellow. Do I want to do that or do I want to have something different? Let's look in the pile here. That's a rectangle and square. Oh, here we go. Pull out a few more of these. Let's see. Circles. Oh, here we have a little bug. Here we have the little frog in the hose. I don't know why I think that's so funny. What's this one? Oh. Lots of yellow birds. Kind of want some. Ooh, that looks cool. Maybe I'll do something like that. Ooh, or we have a hummingbird. Okay. All right. Well, I did like this. What's this one? Oh, Oh, here's a hummingbird nest. You know what? I think I like, oh, look how cute this is. It's a little chipmunk in a planter's. I don't know why I like that, but I think I'm just going to put that there because it's different. I don't want it to be too like matchy-matchy. You know what I mean? All right, all those go away. All right, let's glue that down and then I'll glue something else with it. Do I have glue on this? No. It is Tuesday, right? I don't even know. We haven't been feeling well in our house. Jackson's been home from school, so I'm a little behind on what day it is. Okay. There we go. Okay, so we got the little squirrel, and then maybe I'll add one of these flower circles to it, or chipmunk, whatever it is. Ooh, or, oh no, because that goes over. Wow. Could put like a little apple right here. That's kind of cute too. A little apple. Well, I don't know. I'm getting picky. Why am I getting so picky? I'm not quite sure. This is another little birdie poo. I'm going to put this little frog in the hose over those words right there. And keep in mind too, I say this all the time, but my pages aren't necessarily finished. I just play until I decide I'm done on this page and I want to move on. And then I will always come back and add more if I feel like it. Ooh, I like this one because there's a little bee on it. Let's put that one up there. Ooh, this is so fun. I love gluing in a composition notebook. Ooh, I love it. And I love this Birds and Blooms. It's just so fun to have a glue book that's flowers, bugs, birds, nature. You know what I mean? I got glue all over that. And I just moved it. So let's move that back. Wipe that off. Okay. And I think I am going to put this flower like right here. Or should I put it over here? Like that. I think I liked it over here better. Okay. Let's add it. Let's turn my glue page here because I don't want to get glue on this. All right. Does this go a certain way? It does kind of go like this though. You know what? I'm just going to put it down. It's not that big of a deal. Just put it down, Nicole. Okay. Whew. Done. Okay, I'll come back to this another time if I feel like adding more things. All right, let's, oh, I did not round the corners on this. Oh, I did. I just added the squirrel or chipmunk. Okay, so let's go to this one. Oh, this one's cute. Okay, what do I want to add? I do have some of my big, ooh, look at this guy. Hold on, can't grab it. Hello. Owls just look so unamused to me. I feel like this owl totally blends in, but I kind of like that too. Okay, what else do I have here? Ooh, this might be cute to add to this page, huh? Oops, don't want to rip that. Could add those. Have a little cardinal. Don't like that either. Okay, okay. Ooh, my little hummingbird that I love. Definitely don't like that on that page at all. Maybe this one would look good on this page. Kind of cover up that word, and then I have more pink on here. I do like that. Okay. I think what I'll do here is cut this. Well, I'll wait. Okay. There was a method to my madness, but my madness went away. Or my method went away, I guess. My madness is still here, but my method went away. Okay. Here we go. Here we go to save the day. Hey, psst. Do your girl a favor here and hit that like button for me. It helps me. Thank you. I appreciate it very much. Okay, here we go. I just want to kind of wiggle that around there. I think I'll add it over here like that. Oops. Okay, there. So the piece I cut off, I added right here. And you can hardly tell. Okay, so that's cute. Now do I want to add these, you know, something like that? Which way does this go? I don't think it matters. Probably something more like this. Do I want to add that there? I need to cut out some more birds. I don't have as many cut out as I thought I did. Okay. Well, do I have any more birds in here? Oh, I do. I see one. I see a tail. Okay, we have that one. Got a bunch of words. Oh, here's more of the little circular things. Oh, there's a little bird head. A puffin. Oh, this might be cute. Okay, I think I'll add that. Oh, and here's a hummingbird I could add. Just, you know, hanging out. What's this? Oh, a birdhouse. Okay. Oh, here's another bird. Another birdhouse. Some more circles. Okay. Okay. Let's add this because I think that would be really cute. Now, I don't want to rip this, so I'm going to go slow and gentle. There we go. Oh, I stuck it right on glue. That sucks. Oh well. Okay. Just put this right there in the cracky poo. Uh-oh. I think I'm going to spray the guy. Oh well. Okay. There. That's cute. I could have the little hummingbird coming over here to get some wah-wah. All right, let's do that. The hummingbird is thirsty. It needs some agua. There we go. That's cute. Okay, I think that's enough images on one page for now. Let's move these all over. What is this? Oh, another little hummingbird. That's cute. Oh, I like the bees with the flowers right here. I'm just going to add that. I like it. I'm going to add it. Oops. Stuck that right on some glue. I've got the Shermanator in here with me. He's snoring away. Wow, he's really going to town with those snores today. Okay, that's cute. Moving on. Do I want to add a word? I haven't added any words. Let's see. A sweet southern song. No, because that would go with a bird. Welcome bluebirds. That's a hummingbird though. Incredible eggs. Nectar rich. I don't like the color of that. Garden. What's this? Oh, this is a little phone. Oh, birds and butterflies, except for I don't have a butterfly on this page. Not that I need to, but oh, there's another little square. What's this say? Big beauty. Oh, hummingbird. That's cute. Could put that right there. Could put it up here too, or over here. Birds and butterflies. This says, the birds have been quite busy building nests and raising their young. I was cutting out some like little things from the magazines. This one says gardening. That's cute. This says make your bed. Gardening. Okay. That looks good. Let's do that. And we're adding words. We're adding words. Another big truck. I don't know why they feel like they have to go flying down a residential street. Oh my gosh, I'm turning into such an old lady. Get off my lawn. I'll be there in no time. Oh man. Oh. There we go. Okay. Is that how I have that? Oops. There we go. Okay, that looks good. Oh my gosh, this is fun. It's a cloudy, rainy day today too, so very exciting. Okay, let's add some rectangles and squares to this page. Let's grab some of these bigger ones. Let's see. Fingers are starting to stick to everything. What are the, ooh, what's this? Meh. You don't say. Ooh. I kind of like that. I want to leave some of the sky though, because I just think that looks really nice with the sky. Okay, let's do that. Is there anything else? Ooh, I love this. Okay, let's add this big one first. This is such a fun activity for people of all ages too. Kids, elderly, people who just like to craft, people who have anxiety like I do and like to stay busy with your hands and give your brain a little bit of a break. There we go. Oops, that is crooked. I don't mind if it's like a little crooked, but I at least want to try and make it straight. You know what I mean? Okay. And this page was already wrinkly before I got it, so it wasn't me. I need to, oops. Put this back down into the cracola. There we go. Okay, I think I'm going to put this little guy here. Unless I want to add a flower. That might be kind of cute. Ooh. I kind of like that. I don't know why, but I do, so I'm just going to do it. This is a California fuchsia. I left the names, like I mentioned last time. I left the names on some of these, but not all of them. If I could cut the name off, I did, but if it's, you know, it's kind of nice to see what they are, to be honest. I don't know why I feel the need to cut them off, but okay. What now? What else do I want to add here? Let's see. Gosh, this little bird is so cute. Maybe I should just add that there for a little pop of... Actually, I could just kind of go like that. What's this? Female Costa hummingbird. Costa? Costa? I don't know. Let's see. What do I have over here? Oh, I love this one. This one's so cute. Look at that little cutie patootie. No. Okay. I think I'll put this one here. That's where I liked it the best. So let's do that. There's no rhyme or reason. I'm just laying down images, auditioning them for the part, if you will. And if I like it, I glue it down. If I don't like it, I try another piece. Easy as that. Let's see. Oh, I have a little caliper. I got a little caliper. Oh, maybe one of these flowers would be nice. Could. Maybe something like that. Kind of like that. Let's do it. Yes, I know I'm covering up the word, but the words are the least of my priorities in this glue book. I would rather have flowers and birds and all that kind of stuff. And all that jazz. Should I do that too? That's cute. Or should I bring it down? I kind of like bringing it down. I just didn't want to cover up too much of the flowers, which is why... Oh, I could bring it up. Maybe I'll do that. I don't want to cover up any pretty flowers. Hello. Maybe I should turn it so that you can see. There you go. Oh my gosh, it's the part. I love you, Elizabeth. I love you so much. If your feelings are still what they were last April, tell me so once. Oh my gosh, the scene. I know I talk about it all the time. You guys have an issue. Okay, let's see. If you're wondering what I'm talking about, oh, that's cute. Spring into action. I watch Pride and Prejudice almost every day right now. I just get in these kicks where I'll watch a movie and then I like it, and then I just keep it on kind of in the background as I'm working, and this has been the one. I also watch Emma. I watch that one almost every day as well. Okay, let's make this a little bit more. There's lots of movies I watch all the time. Goonies, which is one of my all-time favorites. Basic Instinct, Dirty Dancing, you know, all the good stuff. I watch them all. Your hands are cold. Sorry. Quoting lines that are going on in the movie. Okay, that's cute. Do I want to add one more? No, that's too matchy-matchy. I don't like it. Okay. I like that. Moving on. Let's see. I love how this looks. Oh, I think it was Robin. Was it you, Robin? Said it would have looked cute if I put a little bird on the seed packets, and I agree. I don't have a little tiny one cut out right now, so I will think about that. Let's see. This one's already done. We did that. Okay, and then I have this. So this page came like this, but I thought I would add my own little rectangles and squares over the top of those. That one's too big. That one's too little. Is this one just right? This one looks too big. Too big. Ooh. No, I don't want that one because it's yellow, and I already have yellow right there. I mean, I could do that one, but that one's not very fun. Okay, let's keep going. Let's see. Are these all larger? I think these all might be larger up there. All right, going back in here. Uh-oh, dropped a word. What's this one say? Bird activity abounds as a season of renewal arrives. Ooh, I like that. Okay, so, boop. That's adorable. I just wanted to keep that out, that too. Okay, so this girl, I could put her right here. Actually, I don't even need her. I could just cut off her face. I know that sounds horrible. But, you know. Okay, because what I really care about is that robin. And then I have a fuchsia here. Fuchsias remind me of my grandparents. They always had these. at their house on their deck. This one's just a tiny bit small. Okay, I have a butterfly. That would be good, but I would have to cut it. And I have a potato. What else? What's this? Okay, well, none of these are working how I want them to work, except for this one. So let's chop it up. We'll chop it just below her shoulder. Sorry, girl, you're cute and all, but let's see. Okay, that's cute. Let's add that. Let me grab all these little scraps so I don't throw them in my fussy cut pile here. All right, let's glue her down. A little robin. Super special to me and my sister. Okay. All right. And then I'll cut off the excess here once it's dry. Okay, now I need something up here. Maybe I should just add the fuchsia. It's okay if it's not perfect. Nicole. Okay, I'm doing it. I'm just going for it. Oh, accidentally grabbed that. I'm going against my comfort zone and I'm adding an image that is not exactly perfect. I know. I'm making strides, guys. I'm making strides. I am a perfectionist, but I'm working really hard on just letting things go and having fun. But for me, sometimes having things be perfect is fun. So it's a balance. Okay, so let me get all these little bits. Go, get out, all of you. Okay, let's cut this stuff off. Oh, now he's doing the Mrs. Darcy thing. Over and over and over again. Giving her sweet little kisses. Okay, so now we have that. Excuse me. Whoa, my voice went out. Maybe I'll put this bird tails right here. That's kind of cute. Yeah, let's do it. Why not? I think it wanted to be there because I kept accidentally grabbing it. Ah! Okay. Bird tails. Why does this remind me of DuckTales? Bird tails. Hoo-hoo. Anybody else watch DuckTales when you were little? Okay, so bird tails. Do I want to add some of these little tiny itty bitty squares? That's kind of cute. Little. Oh wait, maybe I'll add a circle. Like a little. I'll add a puffin. Why not? We have these here in Oregon, but I've never seen one at the beach ever. Okay, puffin. There we go. All right. Ta-da! We have that. Do I want to add anything down here? I also have this pot of flowers. Save that for something else. I don't know. I don't know. Where's the... There we go. Okay, so the more I look at this, the more it's bothering me. You know what I'm going to do? Oh my gosh, duh. Maybe I'll add a little strip of washi tape. Washi tape to the rescue. Do I want to do that? No, I feel like that'll just make it worse. Okay, I think that'll just draw more attention to it. So I'm just going to let it go. Let it go. Okay, I definitely want to put something down here. I just don't know what that is yet. Okay, and then I have this big piece, which I could add squares to or whatever, but what I was thinking is I might just add one big old bird, maybe even a bird house, and have this be like a background page. Well, everything kind of blends into this. I could do like one square or one bigger square. I don't know yet. I could just put a bunch of little things around, like oh, is a straw? Oh, this is like a little thing of strawberry. I don't know how I want to do this. I don't know yet. Okay. Oh, here's another one. Oh, this one might be better for a bird because it's not as dark. You know, I could do that one. I have my hummingbird. Do that too. Actually, that doesn't look bad. I could add a flower here and there to kind of make it blend a little bit better. I did say I wanted to put him on this page because I thought it looked really good on this page, but it almost blends too much as well. Actually, I don't know. Maybe it doesn't. Oh, I think I like it better on this one. Gosh, I don't know. It looks so good on both. You know what? I think I'll go with this page. I'm sure I'll have other big, beautiful birds I can put over there. Now I'm second guessing myself. Do I want to do it on this page? It does look so good on here though. I need something like right here. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, I'm going back. I will find something else to put there. I'm going to put this here. How did I have this? How did I want it? I wanted it like... You know what? I'm just going to glue it, and then I'm going to lay it down however it feels like it wants to be there. So I have a feeling I'm not going to be able to lay this down exactly how I want it. Sure. We'll go like this. There we go. Okay. Give it a nice easy press here. So it adheres to the page. Okay, that's adorable. Now I want to add like, I want to ground that there. So, do I have smaller flowers? I know I cut out some smaller flowers today, but I don't know where I put them. Oh, I have these. Maybe I could cut out. Okay, let me cut these two out real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, I got them all cut out. Oh shoot, I left my lid off my glue stick that whole time. Okay, so I think I'll put the red one over here since this is red and the yellow one up here. So let's glue those down. I almost said let's cut those out. Already did that, Nicole, already did that. Okay, here we go. We'll just put this little guy right here. And then we'll put these. Oh my gosh, I hope I don't rip this. No, I'm good. Good to go. All right, let's put these. How did I have that? I think we'll just go like that. Then we'll just snip off this little edge right here. There, now the tree branch has an end. It's not just floating on the page. That is really cute. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, do I want to add anything else? I think we're good on the flowers here, but do I have like maybe one of the birdhouses I want to add? What'd I do with those? Oh my gosh, I'm so disorganized today. I had everything organized and then I start playing with things and then I don't know where everything is. Is this a birdhouse? No, this is a bag. Birds and Blooms little grocery bag. Do I want to add a word or anything? Oh, that's too big. What's this say? Wake up to spring. That's cute. A little big. I mean, it looks fine. Don't get me wrong. Totally it looks good, but No. Let's see. Early to rise. That's cute. Early to rise. What's this say? Friendliest birds in North America. Okay. Okay. Well, I don't know. Here's some little eggs. I don't know what I want to add here, so I'm just going to wait. And I'm going to wait to fill that in. I don't have to put anything. This looks adorable just the way it is. I could add some more of these little circles if I wanted. Where are the rest of those? Oh, I just saw one. Where'd it go? Here it is. Oh yeah, this little one. You know, I don't know. I'll save that for next time. I don't want to use all my things. All right, everyone, that is going to conclude today's video. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. If you wouldn't mind, please give this video a like. Don't forget to drink your water. And just a friendly reminder that tomorrow is Glue Crew Video Wednesday, so there will be no video on my channel, just for the Glue Crew only, but I'll see you guys back on Thursday. Have a good day, my friends. Bye.